Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my okra and garden egg soup. And these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Please, if you are new here on this channel, please click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Here I have my fresh garlic, fresh ginger, onion, okra, my garden eggs, vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil because I don't eat palm oil. That's why I'm using sunflower oil. And I have my Maggi cube. And this is my beef. I'll be using beef for this recipe. And also I would like to add this turkey to it. And this one is chicken. 2 pieces of chicken and 3 pieces of turkey. And my salmon fish is also there. So I'm adding the turkey to the beef. I'll add the turkey and the chicken to the beef. And now, as you can see, I've already chopped all my ingredients. The okra, the garden eggs, they are all chopped. The ginger is there, as you can see, onions, scotch bonnets, the okra, everything is chopped and I'm ready. So now I'm adding my spices to the meat. This is my beef spices. And then my Maggi cube. I add 1 Maggi cube. Then black pepper, not too much. And also garlic powder. I just took a little bit of that because I have fresh garlic that I'll be using later. And now thyme. I will add a little bit of that too. And also my curry powder. And don't forget to add your salt to taste. Now I add a little bit of water to start cooking it. My soup is almost done. I've added everything together. Then I'm going to mix it together very well. Mix everything together. And now my soup is ready. Wow. And that's it. So I cover it for some seconds. And now it's ready. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below and also subscribe to this channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.